Hello. On our recent trip south of the equator, Elizabeth and I decided to test the toilet flushing in the opposite direction theory. So first here we have an example of the toilet that we actually, on our houseboat that we live on, and this is in America, and you can see how it flushes here. And next up we have the toilet in Buenos Aires at the hotel home, which I don't think has specific plumbing. I think it's pretty generic to south of the equator. And as you can see, very briefly, it does in fact rotate the other way. So there you have it. Theory proved. I'm sure we weren't the first ones to prove it.